We are going to do graphical methods of solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. We have been given a question, solve graphically. The equations are 2x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 18 equals to 0. We have to also find the area of the region bounded by these two lines and the y-axis. We also need to shade the triangle formed by these two lines and the y-axis. We first take the first equation, that is 2x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0. I have held 2x on the left hand side and transferred 6 and minus 3 to the other side, and then I have sent 2 into division. It becomes x equals to 3y minus 6 upon 2. We now make a block, that is where we will be writing the value of x and y. In this question we are choosing the value of y and we have chosen them as 0, 2 and 4. First I substitute 0 in place of y in this equation and we get the value of x as minus 3. Then I substitute the value of y as 2 and we get the value of x as 0. Then we substitute the value of y as 4 and simultaneously I get the value of x as 3. I have written all these values accordingly. When y was 0, x was minus 3. When y was 2, x was 0. When y was 4, x is 3. Then we pick up the next equation which is given to us, and it is 2x plus 3y minus 18 equals to 0. Here also I transpose and find the value of x as 18 minus 3y upon 2. Again, if you see, I have made a block and I have chosen the values of y as 2, 4 and 6. However, it is not compulsory to choose always the value of y. The value of x can also be chosen by us. When we substitute the value of y as 2, I get the value of x as 6. When we substitute the value of y as 4, I get the value of x as 3, and when I substitute the value of y as 6, I get the value of x as 0. Now we plot them on the graph. First I start with the first line, that is when x is minus 3, y is 0. I have put a dot. I have written this also. When x is 0, y is 2. I have put a dot. I have marked it. And then when x is 4, y is 3. I have joined it by means of a straight line drawn with a pencil, and I have also written the equation 2x minus 3y plus 6 equals to 0, to which it belongs. Same way, I have plotted the second line. I have plotted the points. When x is 0, y is 6. When x is 3, y is 4. And when x is 6, y is 2. I have joined all 3 points by means of a straight line. And here also I have mentioned the equation accordingly. Now, the question asked me to shade the region between the two lines and the y-axis, and we could very clearly see this is the region which lies between the y-axis and the two lines. This has been shaded by me with means of pencil. The solution of x and y was asked, so you can see the two lines are intersecting at 3, 4. So the value of x will be 3 and the value of y will be 4. Then the question has also asked us to find the area of this triangle which we have shaded. Now area of a triangle we know is half into base into height. For this we'll treat this as the base, and you can see this is going to be of 4 centimeter or 4 units, and the height will be from this point up to this place, which can be measured from here, and this is equivalent to 3 units. Now we write the base of the triangle ABC is 4 units, the height is 3 units. We know area of triangle is half into base into height. Therefore, area will be half into 4 into 3, which gives me 12 upon 2, or which is 6 square units. Now it's very important for us to mark the x-axis, the y-axis, the negative x-axis and the negative y-axis, and children, we should also write the scale. In this case, it's 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit.